I've got a mix design open here. This mix design has 4 blends, aggregate blends. They went ahead and selected the first trial blend as the one that they're going to use. You can see all the aggregate tests that they ran on this one. The others that were just trial points. There's a full set of trial points in here as well as we call it the design variant of 4.9. They call it, some people call it the mix verification. So to create the 3512, I just go here, I pick a 3512 template, and then if I go all the way up to the first page and toggle through, here's the first page with the aggregates in it, with the SMARA IDs. So all of this is going to come together being pieced through individual master records in LASTRADA. So if I go through here and go to master data, aggregates, mining sites, I would find the Serrano aggregate plant with its certification number of C1212, or its SMARA ID, and that's what's coming through here. El Dorado County was the county that it was listed in as well. And then if we just make our way through, we're going to find the same thing. So here's a 4-5 power curve. Here are the aggregate test results, as well as the 3 individual replicate points for the sand equivalent. Here's the what used to be the LP9. Here is information from the binder, and so that would come from, if I go here to this mix design and if I select this binder, which is a 6416 from Bitumen Incorporated, its specific gravity and its properties here would then become available. One of the things that we talked about before were certificates. So you can upload documents here to this binder. And then if we make our way through crumb rubber modifier, this wasn't a rubber mix design, but these cell types are connected to, again, if I go back to that binder declaration, if it were rubber and I went to the modifier page, you would see all the properties from the submittal from that particular CRM manufacturer. Some mixture results. This is not a complete mix design. It's just got a lot of data thrown in it, so you're seeing a lot of blanks, and that's just because of that. If it were a complete mix design, it would have all of these filled out. The TSR treated and untreated in this one means nothing, so it's just reporting both as a result. And I threw numbers in here just to get a number going for you. So obviously the dry strength is not 0.9 psi, it should be around over 100, right? And then the charts. So to generate the report, you're just going to do your typical mix design work like you normally would, and then you're just going to come over here and pick a report. Each of the master records will then be called as needed when you run the template. So in the case of the binder, it'll be what's in the binder record. In the case of the aggregate, it was the mining site. We also have information about the hot plant. We have information about the construction site itself, which is where we got the information about route and milepost information, as well as information about the testing labs. All of that would have come through by each individual master record that we attached to this mix design.